I don't like carrying my bags full of material, fittings, wire nuts, and tools that I need. It just wears on you after a day. So I've taken to using the ladder mate to help shoulder some of that weight. Let's have a look at it quick. Guys, so what I do like about this thing, on this side over here, you got a spot for strippers, screwdrivers, pliers. Okay, over here, I've got my DeWalt 8-volt in there. I've also had a hammer in there. I like to carry my pipe wrench in there. In this compartment right here, drills and impacts with long tips and bits on them. Goes through the hole right there in the bottom. It's a nice big compartment. This side right here is skinny enough. Okay, you can clip a tape measure or your nice Stabila mini level to it. It does have 4 compartments using the 3 removable dividers. Okay, this is a conduit running setup. We got our Knipex, we got our level, connectors, coupling straps. A lot of times we'll have screws in here too. There is a level embossed on this side if you need it. And there is actually a 1-gallon can embossed right there in the bottom in the middle. If you take that divider out, you can set a can in there without it tipping over. All right, and it does attach to any A-frame ladder. It comes with included adapters for wooden and aluminum ladders that clip onto here. It's set up for fiberglass right now, and it'll go on whichever fiberglass A-frame you want it to. So it's a nice universal accessory that allows you to stop shouldering the weight of all the stuff in your tool belt if you're going to be up and down a ladder all day. All right, guys, I've been using this for a while, and I really recommend it. So if you're interested, check it out.